do BER experiment, that is bit error rate using GNU radio. So open file, in the new, go to new. In the new there are two options, one is Qt-GUI, another one is nothing but WX-GUI. So now let us do this experiment using WX-GUI. So once you open WX-GUI, you will get the two blocks. One is nothing but options block, another one is nothing but variable block. So in the variable block, it allows you to choose the sampling rate. By default the sampling rate will be 32k. So here we have selected it as 100k. So next, the random source, that is we have, in order to calculate bit error rate, so we want signal, original signal. For the original signal we need to add the noise signal. So now let us see the parameters in case of random source. So here random source ID will be by default. So again minimum value as well as maximum value, what is that constant type, I will tell you later. Again number of samples is equal to 1000 and press OK. So next, after, since it is WX-GUI, we are doing the experiment in WX-GUI, so there should be a throttle block. So we have used the throttle block and the sample rate is a thing, but here it is 100k, so which will be of 100k here also. Next, the random source will be emitting the sequence of bits. That sequence of bits should be converted into symbols, because in this particular experiment we are doing the bit error rate, we are calculating the bit error rate of QPSK, different modulation techniques such as QPSK, BPSK as well as 8PSK. So hence we need to convert that into symbols. So chunks to symbols block will convert bits into symbols. Again you can see the documentation. So here in the documentation you can see what is the function of the each block. So next is we need to add a noise for this. So one of the input, that is one of the inputs to the add block will be the chunks to symbols, output of the chunks to symbols. Another input will be the noise source. Again the noise source is nothing but it is Gaussian. Correct, noise source is nothing but it is a Gaussian and it is of uniformly distributed signal. Hence seed value is equal to 42. So again this here, in case of noise source there are 5 parameters. So by ID, by default it will be whatever the ID you want, you can give it. So again the data types, it should be same throughout for all the blocks. So here we have used complex. Again noise type you can change. So most commonly used is Gaussian, so hence we have used